Let's model this boom range in SolidWorks with the help of surface feature. You will see this red body we will create with the help of surface. We will create one body, then later we will use make multiple pattern, and this middle part we will create with the help of boundary surface. Okay. See, first we will create this part. This is solid. We will create in surface with the help of surface tool. Then later we will make it solid body. Now let's take a new part. First I am going to draw a one reference sketch on front plane. Let me create line, escape. Now let's define angle 75 degree and make these bottom lines construction line. Now this is the things. Okay, now let's create one plane on this taper line. Select the line reference and second reference front plane. Now you will see a perpendicular line going to create on this tapered line. Say okay. Now we will create one sketch on this line. So select plane 1, sketch, activate ellipse. I'm going to create one ellipse. Okay. Now I'm going to define some dimensions. Vertical 80 millimeter. Now diameter, radius one side 100 millimeter. Okay. And distance from center to origin point 150. Look, it seems fully defined sketch. Draw one vertical line. I want to trim this portion. Connect with this. Okay. $90. Now activate trim entity, power trim. This is going to create a path. Press and hold the left mouse and drag. Drag upper one. Now these lower one we need. Okay. See, this path little drag here, the sketch one. Okay. Now let me exit. Now we need to create one another guide, front plane sketch. Okay. Plane 1 let me hide. Select this one, convert entity, select the line for construction. Okay. Plane 1 or sketch 1 also make it hide. Okay. Now it looks ellipse. Draw one ellipse on this line. Width keep only 40 millimeter. Okay. Now let's little taper. The end of ellipse, hold shift key. The end of previous drawing, merge. Fine. Smart dimension. Now center distance to from here 150. Okay. Center, normal view, and let me draw one line to here. Make sure these line perpendicular to this line, and you will see the previous drawing intersection point. Hold shift key, this point, merge. Okay. Now in this case I want to remove bottom edges, lines, trim entity, power trim, press and hold the left mouse and drag. See. Look, these lines are deleted, only the upper lines we need. Yes. Exit. See, here we have two guide. Now we have to create a profile on this face. So you have to create one more sketch, a plane. First reference plane, select this point. third center point, second reference, third this one. See these 3 points we selected and create a plane. Select plane 2, sketch, activate ellipse, normal view. Okay. First point this one, second point this one, third point here. Now let's do one thing. Match this point, hold shift key, these 2 points merge. Similarly, this profile point and this point merge. This is important. You don't need to define any dimension here. Exit. Plane to hide. Now here we have profile and path. Sketch 1 show. We need this sketch 1. Go to surface, apply shift surface. Now here sketch profile, path, first profile. Choose this. For path, select this one. Now you will see the preview. You will see direction 1 is selected and this is perfect. Go to guide and here we have to choose 2 guide path. Select first, second. Now you will see a kind of shape. Look. Here you can keep merge smooth faces. Say OK. Look. We created. Now we will create one strip line. So again, front plane, sketch. Let me first select this line, convert entity and make this line, okay, real line we need, parallelogram. Okay, select center line and these 2 lines. Okay, first let me create construction line, then symmetric relation. Now I want to convert this real line. Smart dimension 18. Let's create few important relation. Select this line and this line, collinear relation, collinear. Okay. Select this line perpendicular to this center line. Okay, make sure this is bigger than this because here we need to create some impression. Go to a split line, projection, sketch selected, face. Let me select this face. Say OK. See these impressions. These impression line we need because we need to create a path. So let me create 3 more numbers. I am going to give some color so just to look more visible. Okay, circular pattern. Select this sketch 1 vertical line, 363 number of body we need, equal spacing, and here choose body. Select this and you will see the preview. Okay. Now I want to connect this one, so activate 3D sketch. Spline. Now select the center point. Okay. Center point of another one. Right click, exit. Now let me use this drag handle. Select this center line and this spline tangent relation. Similarly do other side. This center line, spline, tangent relation. Okay, let's give some distance to drag handle. Length 120. 120. Okay. Now This is going to, now here we created this one. Now let's activate boundary surface. We will create this path with the help of boundary surface. Now in boundary surface you have to define directions. So let's say in direction selection manager, choose, let me drag here, group, select this edge 1, zoom, edge 2. These two edges we have to choose because this is the our direction. Say OK. Again right click, selection manager, the other side, this edge and this edge, these two edge going to create. Say OK. See, now here face, none tangent to face. This is also tangent to face. You will see here tangency to face, align with other geometry, 0 and 1 apply to all. Okay, for direction 2 I am going to select this simple, this curve. Look, global standard. Okay, okay, see, now let's apply multiple number of patterns, circular patterns. For direction choose this vertical line and here choose bodies, select this body, 3 number of patterns, 360. Okay, look, now we will close from top and bottom with the help of surface filled surface. One edge, second edge, third edge, fourth, fifth, sixth. Now you will see the preview. Here choose contact between two edges, tangent, apply to all edges. Okay, see, similarly let's apply filled surface at bottom. First edge, second, choose continuous, third, fourth, fifth. See, contact all tangent. Option in fix up boundary, you can do it. See the preview. Okay, but here we have too many bodies. So simply let me apply here net surface, select all, merge, and here create solid body. Say OK. If you see section view, okay, see, this is become a solid body. Okay, let's apply those color red. Okay, select this face, edit appearance. For face I am going to select yellow, select bottom. Okay, now let me hide sketch 1. See here how we create a boom range with the help of SolidWorks surface feature. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.